I'm going to do a trio pick of 40mm Brinks padlocks. I'm going to start out with this solid brass body that was in a double pack from Wally World. I think it was like, I don't know, about $13 for two of them. I know it does not have security pins in it, but picking it with this spring tension on the core can be somewhat cumbersome. Alright, there's one lesson. These are not meant to secure anything valuable. Kind of fun to pick, but other than that, I don't think I'd secure anything worth more than about 30 or 40 bucks with one. It can be bypassed too, of course, with padlock shims. But next up is a camouflage model. It's laminated underneath. It's a 40mm as well. Shackles the same size, but it's got this weatherproofing stuff on it that might possibly increase security somewhat to keep someone from using padlock shims in a fast manner. That's the only thing that I can think of. And this thing may have security pins in it. I don't know yet. I got it for $3 at Ollie's. Couldn't pass it up. Brand spanking new padlock for $3. That's a name brand. Don't know if that's a bad, well, you know, that ain't a bad deal. They're a lot more expensive than that at other big box stores. Alright, that loose core is giving me some issues. Hmm. That should have been open, but it's not. Unless there's, could be spools in it. No. Just that loose rattling core. That gives you an idea of how thick those pieces of rubber grommets are. I mean, somebody could cut that off pretty quick with a knife and then shim it, padlock shims. And I don't, well, yeah, I do have a knife bypass tool, I guess you could say. It's homemade, but I don't have it out right now to use. So, crap. I didn't mean to drop that down in there that far. That's what she said. Alright, this one, I got it at a pawn shop for like 25 cents. And the guy thought I was nuts. I'm buying a lock without a key. And I'm quite certain this one does have security pins in it. I haven't picked it in quite a while neither. It was out as a loaner to someone that was wanting to learn how to pick locks. I think I done messed up. Let me start back. I don't know if that microphone picked that pin dropping or not. This can be and it's got a loose core too. Try not to use heavy tension with this pick because what I call the working end of it doesn't have a lot of metal. And I've bent it once already accidentally. Okay, I think that just went into a fault set. Yep, it sure did. Yep. Okay. So that one does have spools in it. Out of all of them. And it was the only one that had security pins. I don't know if it put up more than a fight than that camouflage one did or not. But let me back the camera off a little bit and show you this thing. I'm going to take it apart and show you what's underneath it. That's it. I guess you can dress a turd up in a suit, but a turd is a turd.